children, good morning. Welcome to the another session of your social class. This is the 16th video of your social class. Already we have started in the previous video the new lesson, that is India, its water resources. Now every time as I am giving you the GK questions, this time also I wanted to give you two more GK questions. Children, note it down. Fast. Now 31 question. 31st question you have to note down. Note down, children. Which is the largest continent in the world? Which is the largest continent in the world? Which is the largest continent in the world? The another one is, what is the full form of ATM? Every day we are using, no? Our parents will use. Your parents will use ATMs, no? But what is the full form of that? What is the full form of ATM? You have to answer these questions and keep with you. When the school reopens, you have to show me all these questions, children. These are very important. Are you watching the videos, students? If you don't watch, you will lose so many things, children. Already the schools are not there. If the studies are not there, what you will become? So you have to watch, you must watch the videos and you have to answer the questions which we are sending through WhatsApp. Every day you must follow that. Right, children? Now, I hope you noted down these questions. Shall I erase it? Yes. Now, already in the previous video, what we have discussed about the sources of water. This water is used for drinking, cooking, washing, harvesting, and what for many things, for cooking, drinking, everything. This water is very essential for us. Without water, we cannot move, we cannot live without water. For 2 days if we don't drink water, we will automatically, our body will dehydrate and we will die. So water is very important. So how we are getting this water? See, children, in the on the earth 71% is covered with the water only. 71% of land is covered with water. Only 29% is covered with land. On these 71% of water we have, this water is coming from oceans, seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. We are getting this water from these oceans, seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. Though we have 71% of water on the land, on the earth, still we are getting the shortage of drinking water. We are not able to drink all the 71% of water. Why we are not getting? Why we are getting a shortage of drinking water? Because there are many oceans and seas in our India, in our country, on the land. So these oceans, the large water bodies, these ponds, lakes and rivers are small, but oceans and seas are very large water bodies. See these large water bodies, water is very salty. That is why we cannot use it for drinking, cooking or for the irrigation. As I told you, the difference between the oceans and the seas. What is the sea? Sea is different and ocean is different? No. Sea is the part of the ocean which is touching the continent. Whereas this ocean is very deep, but the sea is shallow, lesser deep it will be. So that is the difference between ocean and the sea. Because these two are salty water, it is not at all useful. Only this water we make for the salt. We make for the salt is coming from the sea water only. So for that purpose only this much big water bodies are useful. Remaining for nothing it is useful. And this rain is the main source of water. Though we have rain is the main source of water. What we are doing, hardly in our India we are getting only 2 or 3 months the rains, and in some areas there will be no rains at all. That is why we are not getting some sufficient drinking water. The another one is due to floods, the rivers are full of water and they are overflowing, and ultimately they are falling into the oceans or seas. Now the next one is distribution of water. Up to here we have learned in the previous video. Now distribution of water. Distribution of water. What is this distribution of water? What is this distribution of water, children? The resources are not evenly distributed on the surface of the earth. We have so many sources of water, these oceans, seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. But these are not same in all the places. These are not evenly distributed on the earth surface, right? This creates a shortage of water. This creates a shortage of water. Now, we, humans means who? We are getting this water in a different ways. Different ways we are getting this water. The people who live near the rivers are bringing their water from the rivers. If all the people cannot live near the rivers, correct or not? And some people are away from the river. So what they are doing? They have to walk for miles and miles to get a part of water. To get a part of water, they have to walk miles they have to walk for this water for drinking, because it is very far. The rivers, those who are living very far near the rivers, right children? And some people have to walk. Now some draw from the wells. In some areas the people will draw. This is the well. You see, this is the well. Some will draw bucket. They keep the bucket and they draw the water from the wells, and some pump the water from the wells. Pump. How they will pump? Groundwater. I told you that groundwater is a fresh water for the drinking, and they put the pump into the ground and they keep one pump. So they pump the water to get it up. Water will come up. They pump the water. Some people will draw the water from the wells, and some people will They pump to get the water from the wells. Right? Now, river water. How the river water? The next one is river water. What is this river water? Wells are dug near the rivers. All the wells that we are getting from the we are getting the water we are getting from the wells are near the river. Near the river, the wells we are digging. Right? If we dig the wells near the river, we can easily catch the underground water, and the river water is cleaned and supplied as a drinking water. Right? This river water only cleaned. Directly we cannot use the river water directly, And see, early morning the government people, the municipality people will release the municipal water for drinking, right? So what they will do, they will hold the water in a big water tank and they clean in the process and they release for drinking. That water only we are using for the cooking and drinking, and for the irrigation also it is very good. Okay, now the next one is wells and tube wells. Wells and tube wells. What is this wells and tube wells? Tube wells are wells in which pumps are installed. See, to the underground one pipe will be there. One pipe will be dig. And to get this water, underground water, to get this underground water from up, they will install one pump. They will install one pump. So these pumps are working. These pumps will run with the electricity or the diesel. How these pumps will work? Electricity or diesel. Electricity or diesel. To get this water from the underground, these pumps are installed to these tube wells, and these tube wells, these pumps are run through the electricity or the diesel. Now they are commonly used as in the agricultural land. Actually this type of pumps we don't see in the residential areas. These type of pumps we can see in the agricultural land because they need a huge amount of water. In the taps we will get only this much of tap will be there, from this only it will come very slowly. But tube wells are very big, huge taps will be there, huge tube wells will be there. So at a time the large amount of water we will get. The large amount of water they use in the agricultural land. And agriculture for providing water for irrigation. Hand pumps are worked by hand. Hand pumps are worked by hand and draw from the deep inside the earth. Hand pumps, these hand pumps I told you, hand pumps, where are the hand pumps? Hand pumps. These hand pumps we can use, we can worked by hand to draw the water or deep inside the earth. Now again, the sources of water is oceans, seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. And shortage, though we have so much of sources of water, we get very lot shortage of water we have, because the oceans and seas are very salty. That is why we could not use it for drinking or cooking or for irrigation. And rain is the main source of water, but rain we get only in the 2 or 3 months in a year. In that rainwater is not sufficient for the purposes. And due to floods, these rivers will full of water and they are overflowing and they are falling into the oceans or seas. And distribution of water is not properly on the earth surface. Near the rivers, the people who are living are digging the wells from near the rivers. Those who are living very far from the river, they have to walk for miles and miles to get a pot of water. In some places people use pumps to get the water, and from the wells also they draw the water from the wells, or they push the pumps and to get the water also. The river water where the wells are built near the rivers. And tube wells these tube wells are installed by the pumps, and these pumps are run with the electricity or the diesel. Right children, these tube wells currently they are using only in the using for agricultural only they are using, right children. And hand pumps are worked by hand to draw water from deep inside the earth. So children, up to here this 16th video we have completed, and we will meet you in the another video. Till then you have to watch all the videos carefully, and you have to answer all the questions we are sending through the WhatsApp. Have a nice day. Bye bye.